Hey, good morning, guys. It's 15th of August, London session. I hope you slept well, and I hope we're gonna have one good session. There's something very interesting going on at the moment with Nasdaq. I want to show you this SMT we have. As you can see, S&P is making new highs. new all-time highs. We swept the previous highs. And on NQ, Nasdaq, we can say the same. Hey, morning brother, good to see you. Good morning, New Gaming, good morning. Good to see you too. So this is what I want to show you first. This huge SMT on the top. And I want to show you how this whole move started yesterday, day before, with SMT signal. So as you see, those lows here, they've been taken out just before the news. Right here, and the same lows. Oh, by the way, if somebody can tell me how is the audio, if everything is fine, if you can hear me good, if it's the music on your way. Oh, come on. There we go. Same lows, we took them here and we couldn't hear. And this is how our move started. So ideally, I want to see NQ catching up on the S&P, but as you know, S&P on the top, it means bearish movement. So we're gonna be very careful, despite my bias being bullish, and everybody's bias should be bullish in this market at the moment. We have to be very, very careful, especially with this liquidity level here. Very careful. Right, let's start with our morning routine. As I taught you before, we're gonna look the daily, and we're gonna see this nasty range. We are in gold. This reminds me before Christmas range we had. This one, November the 3rd. This reminds me of this range, but this one is taking a little bit longer. I remember just the same range around October, November till December, and after that it took off. So we are in very nasty range for the last couple of months, 2 months probably, since May. Even we can say from April, end of April, we are just staying in this range of 3500 to 3127 with highs and lows, and we can even narrow that something like this. So we stay into 230 pip range, which is not small for intraday trading, but in general we don't see any move above it or below it. Despite that, we are inside bullish fair value gap, and we just came from bearish fair value gap. Again, bearish conditions. Let's mark our highs and lows of the session. We're gonna mark Thursday high and low, previous day high here, and previous day low. After that we got 5 minutes, and we're gonna mark Asian highs, and we're gonna mark Asian lows. Okay, let's see the big picture. So we can see Tuesday we were going down, and today we opened below the previous DR session as well, but now we have change of character with those highs, so we're a little bit bearish but still very bullish. So let's see if this change of character gonna hold, or we're gonna change our mind. What I saw early in the morning was this fair value gap doing a lot of work and it's still valid, so I'm gonna look closely at it. So basically, yeah, this is our key areas here. We have the previous day low, Asian highs, and previous day high, which is beautiful target if we manage to swap the Asian highs and keep the bullish momentum. If we see Nasdaq, we can see this big dump around the tariffs, and after the tariffs were gone, we see a huge pump, little correction 2 days, and the pump continues. We are inside bearish fair value gap. We are very close to previous day high. We're gonna mark those areas again because we have just about a minute. Previous day highs, we'll go down, and we can notice a bit of a range yesterday with the news pushing down, then recover and staying inside the range. Today Asia is making solid push, and our low is right here of the Asian session. Let's just see, this is the push of the Asia session, and this is the high, which is right now actually. We're very close to the highs. As a key area, we can put this inverted fair value gap, and inside this fair value gap. We're pretty bullish at the moment. Let's see if we can grab the liquidities, and we'll go from there. Exactly now we open the market, so now we're gonna follow the first 5 candles on 1 minute. It's gonna form our 5-minute orb. Out of that, we're gonna mark the last hour high and low. Just like this. There we go. Going on 1 minute. Okay guys, if you have any questions, now is the moment. How you been doing? How is the market treating you? I'm gonna turn off the DR indicator. We don't need it at the moment. We can take a quick look on view up where we are, and we can see we're just bouncing off the 50% mark. So this is something we're gonna look. Are we gonna go below, or we're gonna stay there? In Nasdaq, we're staying in the red area for a very long time. Again, bullish. Okay, we're gonna turn them off. So this is the bottom of the last hour, this is the high of the last hour as the Asian highs at the same time. I just start marking them. We have been good, had a very good days with the orb. Yeah, orb is always performing, but don't forget to combine it with something more. Not just the orb. Well, you can trade actually just the orb, but it's always better to combine it with something else. How do you find the quality? I think this is the maximum quality.
It's not like crystal. It's the maximum that it won't kick us out.
It's the maximum. With this gadget now. Let's see. For now it's alright, to be honest. For now, yes.
It's like cooling.
Yeah, cooling pad, something like this. Why? You need one? Yeah. Okay, this is the last candle now, which is forming the first orb. Now what we want to see is Nasdaq collecting those highs, 1 hour highs, Asia highs, and closing above. And then when we switch to 5-minute time frame, the first 3 candles, 5-minute orb, we want to see closing above again. We're gonna check how they move with S&P, and we're gonna target those highs. Hey brother, long time no see. MTS. I have no idea who is MTS. MTS. Wolf, is that you? Who is MTS? It seems long time no see when we forget each other. Right, we have a candle closing above, and we collect the liquidity, and we're staying above the liquidity, which is good news. We are doing exactly the same here on gold. It's Wolf. Wow, you change again your profile picture. And your name, actually. How are you doing, Wolf? How's been marketing treating you? Nice to hear it. Nice to hear it. Yeah, it's been alright. To be honest, I hadn't traded a lot of gold because of the choppy conditions. But with narrative and bias, bullish bias on Nasdaq, it's been alright. I haven't watched gold lately, to be honest. I watched now because of the stream. But you see those moves, I don't really respect them. You change your name and you put the profile picture. Let me take a look. Are you starting creating content? Muslim Train community. Oh, this is great, man. Hey, that would be nice if you start creating content as well. You know, I decided I'll step back a little bit of YouTube, and when I have time, I'll come back stronger. I'll come back really stronger. But if you start creating content, I start the community. All right, but how you gonna advertise this community? Like how people gonna find you? Do you have any plan or idea? I'm a bit camera shy. Hey, you just need to start, you know. And I'm telling you this, nobody cares, mate. Nobody cares, you know. There's no need to care what people think. One day we all gonna die and nobody will remember. Nobody will say, oh, this guy, he was shy in front of camera. Nobody cares, I'm telling you. You just need to do it, you know, just start with some trials. If you want to start making content, just start with some trials, start with a little bit editing, and even don't post it in the beginning, just do it for yourself. And when you see that you're getting better, because you will naturally see how you're gonna grow in front of the camera and in your editing skills. When you feel confident enough, just start. And even you can do live session without showing your face, I guess. I don't know. Why not? I don't. In the beginning, I don't think I was showing my face. I don't know. But this is just a point where you break yourself at some point, you know, and it becomes really natural. Really. I've been shy as well to be in front of camera. I've been shy to, I don't know, to tell even my friends. I haven't told a lot of my friends because I don't want like subscribers just because this is my friends, you know. I want to build base, and after that showing my friends and family, hey, look what I did. You can watch me as well. But yeah, I'm shy as well. Gold, what happened? It break above, and in our trial trade, it looked like this, and it took us out. And now it's going back up. So this condition I show you on the daily chart, like here the candles are big, we're going from up to down. We make, like if you watch the daily candles, we make a big range. But what you see on the daily candles, guess what, guys? You're gonna see it on 4 hours range. You see that? You're gonna see it on 1 hour range, and you're gonna see it 1 minute range. Yes, of course, you can catch trades. There we go, we have liquidity sweep here, somewhere here, fair value gap, or somewhere here, and there we go, the whole trade. But it's nasty, gold is nasty. The same conditions, you remember before Christmas, we had the same conditions. Exactly the same. Okay, we're going to 5-minute candles now. We don't stay long to 1-minute candles. Wolf, what system are you using now? Are you still sticking with the orb? I think last time you changed from 10 minutes opening range to 15 minutes. As far as I remember. We're gonna do the same on NASDAQ. So on NASDAQ you can see collect the liquidity and we're going down. What we want to see, we don't want to see change of character here with the lows of the market opening. If we see change of character, our idea will change a bit. But let's see. 50-minute orb, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. From all the backtests we did, this is the best performing orb, isn't it? 15-minute orb. I think 1 minute recently don't have very good stats, especially on gold. Especially on gold. So yeah, we don't want to see candle closing below. More seconds. For now, this is our opening range, which we're gonna use as a tool, as a map to predict the price, to react. Actually, to react, it's easier to react rather than predict. I think I put 1 minute fair value gap. No, it's been 5 minutes all along. Oh. Let's take a look. Wolf, do you use SMT? Do you watch for SMT? I don't know if you watch in the beginning of the stream. I showed how this move started the day before with SMT confirmation, and I showed that we have huge SMT from above. So this highs, I'll show one more time. This is S&P 500 and we have these highs, which are the same highs like here. They already been collected somewhere here, as you can see, and we're making new highs on S&P. And NASDAQ is struggling to even collect this liquidity, which is this one. So this is a ticking bomb. NQ NASDAQ, it could compensate very fast. From here, you can see a downfall. SMT from above. What does it mean?
I think you just said it will fall or it will.
This is always, but usually you know when it's from bottom or high, what they show from when it's from the top. It signals. That's it, bearish move. If it's from the bottom, what is the idea? Liquidity grab, one of it take it, the other one didn't take it. I'm really bullish, but this is my only, this SMT is my only indication that, yeah, that we might go down for the correction or something. So if we see the daily profile, we have Monday, if we see AMDX profile, we have Monday as a range, Tuesday distribution, Wednesday manipulation, Thursday it looks like Thursday it's X, which it could be reversal or continuation, but it didn't make very good reversal because it dropped below, but still it recover. If you watch our AMDX model, but yeah, Monday it's clear range, Tuesday distribution up, Wednesday made manipulation with new high, and Thursday it had to be continuation, but it's more of a range as well. And Friday it's always a separate day. Okay. Okay, gold is moving up. We collected the previous hour high. We have candle closing above on gold. We just put wick on NQ on Nasdaq. We just put wick. But to be honest, even if we manage to close below, right, we can see a lot of support levels. This fair value gap, this inverted act once, even this one. We break it here, we tap it twice. There's a lot of support levels, but as well a lot of liquidity to be grabbed. You see all of this trend line liquidity on those lows. They have to be taken at some point. If it breaks below, it doesn't align with my vision, with my expectations, so probably I won't be watching for any shorts, to be honest. But we have liquidity sweep, we have Asia sweep from the top, previous hour, this is previous hour as well. Yeah, it's a tricky situation. It's against our bias, to be honest. And it's against today's trend. And the overall trend as well, yeah. So let's play it safe and try.
Just carry it.
Yeah, just carry to short. Just to scare it to short.
They have a lot of warning, right?
Let's trade with the trend. Trade with the trend.
Short was before 2 weeks with this opening gap, remember?
Yeah, it was good shot though. It's beautiful. No, don't get me wrong, we have very good targets here. Asian lows are in play. Look at previous day low. And all of this trend line liquidity. You know, my bias is bullish, so I won't be surprised to go lower and from here to go even higher, you know, to collect the liquidity to to get some power to go even higher. For the moment, everything is saying short because we have the SMT on the top, we have swept liquidity, the Asian highs in previous hour, and we're trying to close above. If it closes above, then short's gonna make big sense. If it goes below.
Only this candle will just a wick.
But we have very strong trend from this morning because it's making a good ladder. As you can see, it stopped here and then stopped here, it make new high, stop here, new high, it stopped at this level, then it makes new highs and it stopped at this level. Just here came before or below the level, then it went high and it stopped at this level where is the fair value gap, then it went high again, and I guess this is the level that is gonna stop, and so on. We're making a ladder move. Let's see gold. Gold is moving. We're gonna take those highs, don't we? We're pretty strong here on gold. We created beautiful bullish fair value gap. Guys, if you can hit the like button on the stream, this will help me a lot. This will be very helpful, not gonna lie. And if somebody have any questions, don't hesitate, guys. Give me a second to open my MetaTrader because I haven't prepared it. Open my position sizer. There we go. Really interested in what, oh, we tap this fair value gap and we flip the candle. Can you tell me, guys, which platform you use for trading? Is it MetaTrader or CTrader, or maybe something else? If you trade futures on Topstep, probably you use Topstep platform. Because if you use MetaTrader, I'll show you something. CTrader. Yeah, I used to use CTrader for a long time. MT5. Okay. I switched to MetaTrader as well. I think beginning of this year. be honest, I use both. With MetaTrader, I get used to know my lot size without looking. But if you use MetaTrader Wolf, do you use position sizer? Do you know what is position sizer? If you don't know, and if you don't use it, this will help you massively in your risk management. Yeah, I use Trade Manager. Okay, this is something similar to position sizer, I guess. Basically, yeah, that's the one. So basically, you put the risk percentage you want, let's say 1%, and automatically you put your stop loss, let's say 3,343. So let's say I drag my stop loss here, and I put 1% risk, and that's it. It automatically calculate my lot size. So it's very useful, and this is the only reason I prefer MetaTrader over CTrader, because on CTrader you have to pull your stop loss and then start manually adjusting. Let's say, oh, I need to buy 2 lots. Oh no, this is too much. I need to buy 1 lot. Oh, this is too much. 1.5. Okay, and you lose 5-10 seconds. Like, if you trade for a long time, you start memorizing and learning your lots, but it's just much easier, isn't it? You just put your risk, whatever your risk wanna be, and that's it. You put your stop loss, whatever you want, and it's always gonna be, let's say, 1%. So whatever I drop my stop loss, it's always gonna be 1%. You see how it changed my position size? 0.72. You'll buy less if I drop it down here. 0.45. You'll buy more if I bring it up here, 1 lot, etc., etc. So if you use MetaTrader position sizer, it helps you massively, and it's very easy to use. Very easy. All you need to do is drag it, put a percentage, click trade. Simple as this. I have a friend who is very good technically. He knows almost everything, but he never placed a trade in his life, and he was anxious about not doing something wrong. And I was like, the last week I was showing him how easy it is with MetaTrader, because he was hating MetaTrader. Danny was hating MetaTrader for some reason, because it looks like, he said it's like a Stone Age app, and he likes CTrader. Yeah, we thought the same thing before, don't we? If they add this in CTrader, oh my days. They should. I think there is paid add-ons, plugins. Oh yeah, I did it actually. I did it last Christmas. Usually they listen to the community because they add some stuff. Do you know what else I brought to them? What was the problem? When you change the color, your mouse, it's always white, so you don't see your mouse on the background. So I asked them to put different colors for your mouse. You know what I mean? Because with white background, you can't see your mouse. I think that was the problem. Or it was with black background, you can't see your mouse because the mouse is always black.
I think the problem for me is when I want to make like square or something. When I press on, for example, Eclipse, I don't see my mouse there.
Where is your mouse? That's it. Yeah, that was the problem.
It's only when it's a cursor. Yeah, and I need to,
move it now or you can move it later?
Yeah, if it's like that, I see it. But if I want to make rectangle or something else,
You don't see it. Yeah, that was the other problem. So I've been writing to them since Christmas last year, to be honest. Yeah, I don't know if they changed it because I haven't changed my background. But yeah, guys, if you use MetaTrader position sizer, it's really helpful. Okay, I'm taking this out now. Let's see, gold pushed back into this fair value gap, exactly into the 50%. So here it gives, if you're brave enough, $4R, not bad. Very tight stop loss. Oh, this is too good to be true, isn't it? No, no. Let's see how it's gonna react from this fair value gap. Okay, I like those rejections we get. There's 20 more seconds. I want to see a rejection once again. Come on, stay out. 16 seconds. We want this candle to stay out. I don't want to see it closing below. Okay, good rejection. Good rejection. I like it. Now I've been doing trades like this. Enter here, stop loss here, and TP on the old highs. Clearly don't want to go below. Literally. Yeah, I can try it with very small risk. The exact trade I'm showing you now. Yeah. Five, two, 8, 9, 3, 5, 4, 4, 4. Let's see. this is with very small risk, just because I like the idea of those rejections, and I've seen it so many times, getting rejected from below and going all the way up. We have a break the orb. As I said, you can use the orb many ways. I generally use it as a tool, as a map, so we're still inside the orb range. But what we see 1, 2, 3, 4 times with big wick been rejected. On 1 minute we don't have any change of character. Let's wait for a couple more candles, because ideally after this candle I wanted to see this candle. I liked those 3. I want to see a good momentum, doing very fast. But let's see. We have very tight stop loss. Let's see next candle. We want to see a good momentum. Ooh, gold. Gold, it plays one more time, guys. It doesn't respect this fair value gap. It just went past like a train. Nasdaq is making big black candles, which I don't like as well. So yeah, if we enter here, we're almost out, don't we? We're almost out. I really don't want to see it going below. There's nothing I can look for. Yeah, it doesn't look very good. Once again, guys, very small risk. I just like 1 to 2, very fast one. To be honest, yeah, it's worth a try. And to be honest, I prefer to see it with 2 candles out, or 3-4 candles in our TP. I don't want to see this kind of range. If it keeps ranging, I'm gonna exit on whatever price it is. Let's see the last 5 minutes. So we had a green, which gave us a good signal with just a small wick. Yeah, I'm out now. Again, just a very small risk. I'll show you the trade now. Here to here. That was the target right here, 1 to 2. It's worth the risk. After especially this green candle, I expected the opposite. It seems it wanna go lower. It wanna go lower. Gold, it's on a hair away, one hair. Everything is saying short at the moment. Liquidity sweep, SMT, probably candle closing below the orb. What happened on 1 minute? It closed, I think, above, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, we closed above, but Asia high was very close. It's been 44 minutes. We can't collect the lows. We just collect the highs of the last hour. Gold is recovering. 20 seconds and we're closing below, guys. Yeah, this will close like this. Yep. We tap the fair value gap. Oh, we have very small interesting SMT as well. Because we have the highs of the Asia here, which S&P didn't take them, and we have the highs of London highs of Nasdaq, which have been taken. So another very strong bearish confirmation. Everything is saying short, everything. Just plenty of liquidity here and a lot of key areas where price can bounce back, as this fair value gap is one of them. Yeah, I wouldn't touch Nasdaq at the moment, either gold. So if you don't have any questions, guys, I'll be closing the stream here. Wolf, nice seeing you again, and good luck with the community. If there's some way I can help you, just let me know. I don't know what is your general idea, but I'll be happy next time if you share some more. Whoever stayed here with me till the end, thank you, guys. Stay safe on the market. It's Friday today. No worries, New Gaming. Okay, guys, in this case, I'm saying now goodbye. Good luck in the New York session, and yeah, stay safe in the market, guys.